Okay. Welcome to the second video of the video series I made to cover the first lesson, right? So in this lesson, in this video, uh, I'm going to cover the remaining living characters. You may remember in the first video, we listed five living characteristics, right? Here are the five living characteristics: growth, nutrition, movement, respiration, and reproduction. From those five living characteristics, in the first video, we learned about growth and nutrition. Here in this video, you're going to learn about movement, respiration, and reproduction. Right. So I'll start with movement. So it's really very easy. Movement means a change of position. Now here my hand remains still without moving. No change of position. This one, right? So it remains still without moving. Now here you can see, now it's moving. Change of position, right? Previously it was there. Now it is here. So change of position. So simply, if the paper asks what is movement, a movement means change of position. තියෙන තැන වෙනස් වෙනවා නම් ඒකට අපි කියනවා movement එකක් කියලා. Right? Both plants and animals can move. Plants show different movements. Animals show different movements. So it's obvious that animals show movements, right? Animals ලා කොහොමත් හැමතිස්සෙම හෙල්ලි හෙල්ලි වෙන්නේ. ඒට යනවා මේට යනවා ඇවිදිනවා කොහොමත් එහෙම. Plants also show movements. But there is a difference you should understand. There's another word called locomotion, right? Locomotion. Locomotion means moving from one place to another. The meaning of the word is slightly different. It is also a movement, but a special movement. Moving from one place to another. That is locomotion. Only animals show locomotion. Only animals can do the locomotion. Plants cannot do that. එතකොට plants එක තැනක ඉඳන් තවත් තැනකට යන්නේ නැහැ නේ. එතකොට plants සාමාන්‍යයෙන් locomotion කරන්නේ නැහැ. Right? Plants show movements, but they cannot do locomotion. Locomotion means moving from one place to another. සම්පූර්ණ සතාම එක තැනක ඉඳන් තවත් තැනකට යන එකට කියනවා locomotion කියලා. Right? So if the paper asks what is movement? Movement means change of position. Maybe the whole body, maybe part of it. Locomotion means moving the whole body from one place to another. මුළු ඇඟම එක තැනක ඉඳන් තවත් තැනකට යන එක locomotion. Then here are some examples for locomotion. That means different methods of performing locomotion by animals. Animals ලා එක තැනක ඉඳන් තවත් තැනකට යන්න පාවිච්චි කරන විදි ටික. Swimming, fish. මාළුවා පීනගෙන යනවා. Creeping, snake. Snakes ලා බඩ ගාගෙන යනවා. Horse, running. අශ්වය දුවනවා. Flying, birds flying. කුරුල්ලෝ පියාඹගෙන යනවා. Walking, human walking. ඇවිදගෙන යනවා. So those are few examples for locomotion methods. Swimming, creeping, running, flying, walking. Examples for locomotion methods. Right. Then Buddha, write few examples for plant movements. Right. So as I told you before, animals show movements. Animals do locomotion. But plants only show movements. Here are some examples for plant movements. Sleeping movement of mimosa plant when touched. ඇල්ලුවාම නිදිකුඹ නිදා ගන්නවා. Sleeping movement of mimosa plant when touched. Sleeping movement of Albizia sesbania, that means katurumurunga, tamarind in the evening. හවස් වෙනකොට තෝර මාර මදටිය වගේ ඒවා ඇකිලෙනවා නිදා ගන්නවා. ඒවත් leaves නිදා ගන්නවා. Movement. Bending of a plant stem towards sunlight. Plant stem එකක් ඉර පැත්තට නැමෙනවා. ඉර පැත්තට නැමෙනවා. ඉර පැත්තට නැමෙනවා. Bending of a plant stem towards sunlight. Directing a sunflower towards sun. සූර්යකාන්ත මල sunflower එක ඉර හැරෙන පැත්තට ඉර යන පැත්තට හැරෙන. So those are few examples for plant movements. Then Putha, as I told you before, Normally animals move, no? Animals do locomotion also. That means they move from one place to another. But there are some rare examples where animals do not do locomotion. Here, most of the animals can do the locomotion. Name two animals without that ability of locomotion. මෙතන පොඩි spelling mistake එකක් තියෙනවා. මෙතන TWO2 වෙන්න ඕනේ. TWO2 වෙන්න ඕනේ. මේක locomotion. Ability of locomotion. Locomotion, you can find the spellings here at the top. Locomotion කියන එකට අකුරු මේ තියෙන මෙතනින් හොයාගත හැකියි. Moving from one place to another. Locomotion. Right. So name the animals without that ability. Right. Sea anemone cannot do the locomotion. Coral polyps cannot. Because those two animals stay fixed to a ground surface. We call that as a sedentary life. Sea anemone කියන එක්කෙනා මුහුදු පතුලේ කොහේ හරි මතු පිටකට හයි වෙලා ඉන්නේ. Coral polyps කොහේ හරි පහළ මතු පිටකට හයි වෙලා ඉන්නේ ගහක් වගේ. ඒ නිසා එයාට එක තැනක ඉඳන් තවත් තැනකට යන්න බෑ. ඒතර locomotion කරන්න බෑ. Right. Then පුතා next living character. That is respiration. So let me draw a diagram to explain you respiration. පුතේ human respiration mainly occurs in two steps. Right? Human respiration mainly occurs in two steps. Let me explain. The first step, inhale. Here you can see inhale, inhale, inhale. Mainly we use oxygen as the inhaled gas. So we inhale oxygen. That oxygen combined with food we ate. ඒ අපි inhale එකෙන් ගත්ත oxygen අපි කාපු කෑමත් එක්ක එකතු වෙනවා. Then as a result of that, three products are produced: carbon dioxide, water vapor, and energy. Energy is required for the body and it is important for the body. So it is kept inside the body. Carbon dioxide and water vapor are byproducts, unwanted byproducts. Therefore, those two unwanted byproducts are released out from the body through the process called exhale. Exhale. So exhale air contain carbon dioxide and water vapor. Right? Now, I hope you understood respiration. Simply, respiration means inhale and exhale. But it's not just inhale and exhale. Inside your body, you the gas oxygen you inhaled combined with food and produce energy. If someone asks, what is the purpose of doing respiration? ඇයි respiration කරන්නේ? ඇයි මේ හුස්ම ගන්න පිට කරන්නේ? Inhale කරන්නේ, exhale කරන්නේ. Inhale, exhale. The reason පුතා, to produce energy. The purpose of doing respiration is to produce energy. Right? I hope you understood the diagram. Let me clear it. Then let's moving down to the note. Right. Respiration occurs in two steps. Okay, we know the two steps, inhale and exhale. Inhale means taking air into the lungs. Exhale means releasing air out of the lungs. ඇතුළට හුස්ම ගන්න එකට inhale කියලා කියනවා. ඇතුළේ තියෙන හුස්ම පිට කරන එකට exhale කියලා කියනවා. We do respiration to produce energy. අපි respiration කරන්නේ energy එක හදන්න. ඉතා වැදගත්. The purpose of doing respiration is to produce energy. What is the gas we inhale? Oxygen, O2. What is the gas we exhale? Carbon dioxide, CO2. What happened to oxygen gas we inhale? අපි දැන් oxygen inhale කරනවා කියනවනේ. ඒ inhale කරපු oxygen වලට මොකද වෙන්නේ? Combine with food and produce energy. Right? Combine with food and produce energy. Right. Then we have another activity here. Following activity can do to show that we release carbon dioxide during respiration. Exhale. Okay, Puta. I'm not going to explain that here in this video. I'll send another video hereafter. That video contain several answers for several questions, right? That's a discussion of questions. As the answer for the last question, I explained this activity there. So please watch that video to cover up this activity. Actually, this is an activity we do to show that exhale air contain carbon dioxide. දැන් අපි inhale කරේ oxygen, exhale කරන්නේ carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide exhale කරන බව පෙන්වන activity එකක් තමයි මේ. Right? මෙතන explain කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. ඒක ඊළඟ වීඩියෝ එකේ තියෙනවා. Right. Thank you very much for watching. Please watch this video again and again. If you have any questions, please ask in your normal theory class.